How to turn on show home button on Brave browser. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can turn on show home button on Brave browser. To turn on show home button on Brave browser is very simple. I'll be showing you how to do so in this video, so kindly watch to the end. Now the first thing to do is to ensure that you have open up your Brave browser just like I have done here, and then once you've opened it up, you'll be brought to the new tabs page where you would see new tab by the top left corner, import bookmarks, etc. And then by the top right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 dashes. Okay, ensure you click on it. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed. In this box, you'll see several options. Scroll down until you see the settings options, and then you click on it. Once you click on the settings options, you will take it to the settings page. On this page, you'll see so many options by the left side of the screen, and these include get started, appearance, shield, privacy and security, Brave rewards, etc. So the next thing for you to do is move to the left side of the screen where the options are displayed and click on appearance. All right, just click on appearance. Now once you click on appearance, the appearance tab would appear where you would see Brave colors, you see theme, then you would see show home button in the toolbar. So all you need to do is to move to the right side of the screen where you see a toggle, right? If yours is turned off like mine, just tap on it. Once you tap on it and you can see the red, and the toggle turns red, that means that the home button has been turned on. So if you want to turn it off again, just tap on it and then to turn off as well. So this is how you can turn on show home button on Brave browser. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Thanks for watching.